Today's video is sponsored by Fancivivi and this is their package. Let us dig into it. So you get a brochure on how to take care of your wigs and also coupon code and pictures. Now look at this. Who is this right here? Tell me now. This is her. Terry, of course. Take a look close up. And it's not me alone, you know, you have a couple girls in there, so gonna big up on yourself. Like, it's so cool receiving a package with your own picture in it. Like, girl did that. So in the actual package, you receive a wig cap, braid accessory, lashes, satin bonnet, and of course, an elastic band to melt the lace down. And here we have Bianca. She is a 36-inch natural black Boho twisted over hip full lace. And when I mean full lace, it's 360, so you're able to do whatever hairstyle you want with it. Like half a puff down, catching it in 4 sections, 7 sections, like anything. You get me? But let me finish describe it. You know, it is untied HD square braided wig and the ends are curly. And let me tell you, the hair is not human. It's Japanese synthetic fabric hair. But you know, when a product is good, you know you need to hype it up. So I feel like I need to do just so. You get me? So the braid is neatly done. Like, no complaint. The construction is well put together, and for a 36-inch wig, it's very lightweight, and the braids are soft. So I'm taking my time to display it so you can take a proper look at it. And the next best thing is that it is not double lace like the others, because the one that I got before, I had an issue with the double lace, you know, because I feel like it was unnecessary. Finally, Fancivivi, I'm living and loving it right now. But let me tell you, this one right here is everything because it's giving realistic, you know. 3 wig combs and 2 adjustable straps. That completes the description of the wig. So let me show you what I'm talking about with my previous braided wig. So this is it. The double lace, I was not feeling it. And that's just my honest opinion, you know. It wasn't necessary. And this is how the wig look without no makeup or no tinted spray, just right out of the package. But I'm gonna give you option so you can do what you feel more comfortable with. But I want you to see the difference. So I'm gonna get my makeup foundation and I'm gonna apply it inside of the wig. And also, before I glue it down, I will be cutting off the excess lace at the back because I won't be able to see it. With the makeup foundation, give you a more natural look when it comes to the scalp. So I will advise you to do so, you know. After fitting it up, I realized that my entire hairline won't be covered, so I'm gonna camouflage it. I'm falling, but everyone falls. And I know from the first time I'm seeing love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got. And to lay the lace down, you can use hairspray or hair glue, but I'm gonna use hairspray for this because I'm not staining it, you know. It's just a put on, and then after video finished, then take off. And for some weird reason, I feel like I was seeing like a white residue with the hairline that I used the hairspray on. So I'm like, you know what, let me see if I could use the mousse to dilute the hardness of the hairspray. Also, whenever you're styling the hair, you want to brush it out, please use the mousse to soften the hair before doing anything to it, because I realized that it can get tangled up if you don't know what you're doing. Right about now, I'm getting to the end of the video. You know, I'm about to fix my baby hair, and then we out. I'm falling, but everyone falls. In love for the first time I'm seeing love. You got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got me, baby. Oops, I want you. And this is a completed look. I have multiple looks coming up, so I need you to keep tuning in and watch it to the end, you know. And you know, early on in the video I was talking about Bianca, so I will highly recommend you to try her. You know, you're getting good quality. It is soft, it's lightweight, and what again, I'm say if I sort nothing. Yes, I sort something. She's in my Terry Top Tier collection, definitely. So anyway guys, if you are interested in her, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. You get me? Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.